Reading Pioneers is proud to present Bubba the Hamster is Not Afraid by Olivia Wade, illustrated by Ina Torova. One delightful day, Bubba the Hamster and his sister Bella went for a walk. "I want to climb the biggest oak tree so I can see the whole valley," Bubba exclaimed. "Sounds like a plan," Bella replied. They walked to the tree. Bubba looked up, but got scared. He ran and hid behind a bush, shivering. Bella jogged over and sighed. "Bubba, did the tree hurt you?" "No, it didn't, but I'm super scared," Bubba replied. "You shouldn't be scared. Take my hand. Let's go over to the oak tree," Bella said. Bubba glanced up at the tall oak tree. And then there was a sound. Chirp! The hamster rapidly ran away still. "Look, it's only a robin, see?" whispered Bella. "This little bird won't hurt you." Bubba seemed frightened, but wanted to try again. Bubba tiptoed to the tree, but then something tickled his neck. He sprinted behind the bush, shaking and quaking in fear. "It was only a leaf, do you see, Bubba?" said Bella. "It won't hurt you." "Okay, I believe you," Bubba added. Bella clutched his hand, and they walked back to the tree. Bubba came back, but then he heard a loud bark, bark. He fled away again, but Bella shook her head. "It's only the dog, see? Come here. Don't be afraid." Bubba the hamster crept over to the tree slowly. Bella pointed to the top of the tree. "If squirrels can do it every day, so can you. But you have to face your fear." "But how?" Bubba asked. "Well, you know the tree won't hurt you," reminded Bella. "So go slow and tell yourself it'll be okay." Bubba began to climb the tree like a sloth. He kept telling himself, "It'll be okay." "See," said Bella, "when we tell ourselves it'll be okay, we aren't afraid anymore." Bubba continued to climb, and the feeling of fear went away. Then he saw Bella smiling and waving from afar. And soon Bubba climbed to the top. "I'm not afraid, see?" cheered Bubba. "Look at me!" His sister jumped with joy. "Small steps, Bubba, and tell yourself it'll be okay. That's how we do big things and face our fears." Bubba glanced all over the valley at the rivers, trees, flowers, meadows. What a view! Bubba the hamster slowly crawled back down. Finally, he proudly conquered his greatest fear. You can, too! Thanks everyone for reading along with us to the story Bubba the Hamster is Not Afraid. This book was written by Olivia Wade, a former elementary educator, passionate about character education, and she contacted me to have her story read on this channel. So I'm very thankful for this opportunity because I also am an educator and want to promote stories that help children learn about their character and their role in society. For many children, October is a time of scary creatures, scary monsters, and scary themed Halloween events. But I think this story with Bubba the Hamster can help us overcome some of our fears, not just about Halloween, but in life as well. If you'd like to support Olivia Wade, and I really recommend doing so, you can check out her Amazon page that has 2 Bubba the Hamster stories. Also, in the description box below, there is a website for Bubba the Hamster books, bubbathehamster.com. She's hoping to have the 3rd book from this series live very soon, maybe even next month. If you enjoyed this book, please click that thumbs up button to help support the channel and comment below to let Olivia know your thoughts about her story. I'd also appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and notification bell because there will be more children's books being uploaded every week. If you have a story that you've written and would like to have read on this channel, or have story ideas or recommendations, I'd love to hear about them. So please contact me, contact@readingpioneers.com, and hopefully we can work together to get your stories heard. Unfortunately though, this is all the time we have for today's video. So until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.